Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And you know, I'm always telling you guys it's really not all about work. You got to stop and smell the roses once in a while. You got to go out and have a little fun. And man, do I have a fun little thing here for you to go out and play with. This is a 1930 Ford Model A, and that is a Woody. And I have no doubt in my mind that that was probably a Woody from the day it was born. Very, very cool little car. This is steel. The whole car is steel. These are all steel. Pretty sure if you take a magnet, you're going to, well, this isn't steel, that's real wood. But if it looks like metal, I believe it is metal. Fuel tank is no longer here, so that's just for show. Fuel tank has been relocated to the rear. It's running a neat little small block Chevy 350. It's got a set of headers, little Edelbrock intake and carburetor. Oh, look at there, nice aluminum radiator with a cooling fan on it. Very nicely set up. I'm pretty sure, look at all the nice chrome on this car. That car just shows beautifully. The fenders, running board and the fenders, and the front valance is kind of a matte finish in case that's not showing up on film. The rest of this is a nice shiny, the way I like to see it. And under here, just to finish it up, it's got the little chrome kit, chrome alternator over there. Nice, nice, brand new. Everything on this car is just, look at that starter motor. It just shines like brand new again. This is cool. Wire wheels with a little V8 little hubcaps on there, designed to retain as much as the original factory look as possible, and yet still be a very drivable, streetable little car. This is all solid wood, of course. He's even got weather stripping on it. This here is so that when you close the door, since it's a suicide door and it's wood, it might flex a little bit. So he's a real safety guy. All you do is you just slide that forward, and then that kind of latches that up in there, so you feel a little bit more secure in the car. Then this window actually does pop out just the way it's supposed to do it. And let me see here. See if I can get a shot of it for you. There you go. There's your coil spring Mustang suspension right there. Disc brakes on front. Tires are good. Such a neat car. Spare tire holder just like it's supposed to be. So cool. Real wood. Vinyl topping on it. This thing is just super clean, super sharp. He even's got little map holders down there in there. Just the two seats in the car. It's got the aftermarket steering column on it. It's got the tilt wheel. It's got the gauges up here. But look at this. Guys, that is craftsmanship. This is built like a boat. This is so cool. The windows do crank down. And that little black deal right there, that's what you pull back to open up the doors. It's got the matting in it. Such a nice car. And like I say, I mean, I was shocked to see weather stripping. It is all set up the way it's supposed to be. Look at the way this is put together. It's unbelievable. Look at that. It's just so tight. Wood on it is spectacular. And this here opens up. And you go under here and you lift up on the little gate releases right there, and then you can lower this down. This is not designed to be sitting on. It's not a truck tailgate. That's what it is. It holds it up. He did that because he's got the speakers mounted here for the sound system. Sound system is sitting behind the driver's seat. Haven't tried it, don't really know anything about it, but he seemed pretty excited about it. So that's all there. Look at the detail. These guys, they find all of this cool little stuff right here. Boy, I tell you, very California surfer dude looking thing. And it's got the factory tail lights on it like it's supposed to. Where do you find all this stuff, right? Where do you find all that stuff? Fuel tank is underneath there. And right here is the fuel tank inlet. And all you do is you just push that, and then you unscrew that, put the fuel in it, and then push that back down and turn it, and it goes nice and flat for you. These windows do slide back and forth. Not sure why you'd want to do that, but if you wanted to, you can. He's got the Rhino coating on the running board so that it's slip-free. And just such a cute little car. He's even got the little jack for it. Spare tire was mounted on the side over there. Look at this dashboard. All wood, all done. There's your little tip outs for the window right there. So the front window will tip out. But this is just off the hook. It is absolutely unbelievable, the condition of this car. There's your Arizona signed VIN number right there. And of course we do have a clear Arizona title on it. It's just a neat car. If you're looking for the coolest car on the block, this is going to rank right up there. It's scats right along. It's not a slouch. It moves very, very well with that 350 under the hood and that automatic transmission. It's got a Lanco shifter with it. Such a pretty car. If you can use that car, if you want to go out and have a bunch of fun, impress all your friends, 1930 Model A Woody, you give me a call at 602-510-5444. And once again, as always, I thank you very much for looking.